Breaking news coming in a day after reports of LJP and BJP's tie-up almost being finalized. Sources have told Headlines today that the CBI will question former Steel Minister Ram Vilas Paswan on his role in appointments at the Bokaro Steel Plant. Atir is joining us on the phone line. Atir, does this seem to be a tit for tat? If Ram Vilas Paswan joins, or at least is thinking of joining the BJP, there you have it, a case against him.
Well, prima facie, that is the impression one gets. We know that Ram Vilas Paswan and his party has shown its inclination of joining the NDA bloc. But we have been speaking to our sources in CBI, and they tell us that very soon he'll be questioned in the, remember, the Bokaro Steel Plant appointment case. It's a very big case, and several arrests were, several persons were named in the FIR, and a series of searches were carried out. Now, what we are getting to know from CBI is that it's just a coincidence that this is going to happen around this point of time. But yes, if you see the larger perspective, it gives the impression it is tit for tat.
So, do you think that this is going to be enough to arm twist Ram Vilas Paswan? What are your sources telling you?
Well, this is the tactic, the UPA government has been, under criticism for using CBI for its political purposes. But then we know that the CBI has also given a statement in the Supreme Court that it has no political affiliation. As far as investigation is concerned, it's totally independent. But yes, so far we know that there has been a political connotation in this case, and this time around, the Paswan being questioned, a decision has been taken in that in this regard. Certainly indicates that line.
Atir, stay on with us. We also have former CBI Director Joginder Singh on the phone line with us. Mr. Singh, it seems to be extreme form of coincidence that the CBI will now be questioning former Steel Minister Ram Vilas Paswan just on the brink of when he is deciding on whether to join the BJP or not. Do you think it is just a coincidence? Secondly, how crucial was the role played by Ram Vilas Paswan in this Bokaro Steel Plant?
I don't think Ram Vilas Paswan would have given anything in writing for anybody's recruitment. The normal system in the government is when the ministers want something done, they only give oral instructions. They don't give instructions in writing. So most of the people they accept the oral instructions, and in this particular case, there is no doubt that some kind of direction, some kind of complaint must have come, which they are trying to verify. I don't think they will. It is out to harass Paswan. It is this part of exercise after there are a lot of scandals here, and if somebody is involved, then they should be.
No, but Mr. Singh, can you deny that suddenly in a week when Mr. Paswan has openly said that he might be open to attack with the NDA, or at least his party is saying that, they do not really look away from it. Isn't the CBI being used again? One. Secondly, because it is just a question of Mr. Paswan's role being questioned, is it more of a veiled warning at this point rather than any concrete action being taken against him?
Difficult for me to say anything about it unless I know who was referred to them, how the information was passed on to CBI. Normally, when it is a question of questioning a former minister or sitting MP, then you have to inform the speaker if any case is registered. And I don't think they can question anybody without registering a case. So the case must have been registered. And unless that is done, I don't think CBI can question anybody.
Okay, Mr. Singh, thanks so much. We also have Priyanka Chaturvedi. Priyanka, we've just had this breaking news come in, and I wanted your reaction as the national spokesperson of the Congress party. Ram Vilas Paswan, who was the former steel minister and now an old ally who perhaps might be doing a U-turn on the Congress party and going towards the NDA, is now going to be questioned on his role in appointments at the Bokaro Steel Plant. Now, former CBI Director Joginder Singh says that he wouldn't have given anything in writing as far as he remembers about the case. Don't you think this timing of the CBI questioning him is much more than just a coincidence?
No, this is something I wouldn't want to comment on because I've just heard it on your news channel, and till I don't have the details of the case or the CBI asking for an inquiry or probing it further, I would not be able to comment on something like that, and it would be very premature of me to even think of making an opinion on this. So I would want to reserve my comment on this development as of now.
Okay, Priyanka Chaturvedi, the Congress does not want to respond at this point till they have more details, is what they're saying. But clearly at this time, it seems to be too much of a coincidence that a couple of days after Ram Vilas Paswan, who is known to be an ally of the UPA, showing signs of moving towards the NDA, openly being asked to join the party, and they haven't really shown any reluctance, is now going to be questioned by the CBI. Gaurav Sawant is also joining us from the Headlines Today newsroom. Gaurav, this can't be really a coincidence. Clearly a veiled warning being sent out to Ram Vilas Paswan, it seems.
Well, the timing is certainly curious in this case. Ram Vilas Paswan, of course, silent on the issue. His son has indicated his keenness towards exploring newer political options. But at this stage, sources in the CBI telling Headlines Today that this is one case where there is evidence. They have been seeking evidence in this case, and all the successful candidates, whether they were at the junior level or the middle level in the Bokaro plant, whoever got a job, they had the same address as then Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan, and that is why they want to question him. And why this case is very, very curious, because he was a minister in the same UPA government, UPA 1 at that time, and his address was the same as the successful candidates who were a part of this alleged recruitment scam. So CBI sources saying they are just pursuing this case.
Okay, Gaurav, I'll have to come back to